Hello, good morning. Today we are discussing about the epistatic gene interaction, which is the form of gene interactions. Previously, we can find that the complementary gene interaction. Today, we are discussing about the epistasis gene interaction. Epistasis is the Greek word that means standing over. Batson used term epistasis to describe the masking effect in 1909. The term epistasis describes a certain relationship between the genes when an allele of one gene hides or masks the visible output or phenotype of another gene. Means masking or their effect of certain genes has been uh, depressed in presence of epistatic gene. When two different genes which are not alleles but affect the same character in such a way that the expression of one masks the expression of other genes, the phenomenon is said to be epistasis. The genes that is suppressed other genes expression is known as epistatic gene, and the genes that is suppressed or remain obscured is called as a hypostatic genes. The classical phenotypic ratio given by the Mendel diabetes ratio is 9:3:3:1. F2 ratio become modified by the epistasis interactions. In that epistasis, we can study the two type, that is dominant epistasis and recessive epistasis. In epistasis interactions, dominance is other factor and epistasis is other factor. When we comparing both the expressions, in dominance involve the intra-allelic gene interaction, but in epistasis involve inter-allelic gene interactions. In dominance, one allele hides the effects of other allele or of the same genes, but in epistasis, one allele hides the effects of other allele of different genes. Means they are not allelic. Epistasis is of two main types: dominant epistasis and recessive epistasis. Today we are discussing about the dominant epistasis. Dominant epistasis, their phenotypic ratio is different from the Mendel diabetes ratio, that is 12:3:1. In that dominant epistasis, we are studying about the cucurbita pepo plant. When out of the two genes, dominant allele, that is capital A, of one gene masks the activity of alleles of another gene, that is capital B, and express itself phenotypically, then gene locus is said to be epistasis to the B gene locus, because dominant A can be expressed itself in presence of either capital B or in presence of small b alleles. Therefore, such type of epistasis is termed as dominant epistasis. The allele of hypostasis locus or capital B genes will be expressed themselves phenotypically only when gene capital A locus may contain two recessive allele. Means second genes express themselves only when first allele is in recessive conditions. In that, fruit color in cucurbita pepo means summer squash. In fruit color cucurbita pepo, common known as summer squash, is standard example of dominant epistasis. There are the three types of fruits colors in this cucurbum. There is various colors are there: white, yellow and green. Here are the color cucurbit flower fruits. White color is controlled by the dominant genes W, yellow color by the dominant genes Y. White is dominant over both yellow and green, means white color is most dominant. The genes for white color squash is dominant to color squash, and the genes symbol are W, capital W for white and small w for colored. Genes for yellow color squash is dominant to the green genes, and the genes symbol are used capital Y for yellow and small y for green. The genes capital Y in homozygous or heterozygous condition converts green to yellow fruit color. Homozygous recessive small y cannot convert green to yellow, therefore results in green fruit color. Here F1, here we can study the first generation. In that first generation, parental two parents has been given. First one is a white color flower and second one is a yellow color flower. When that parents produces a gamete and producing the F1 generation. Here is the selfing of F1 generations. That means both fruits are white in color. When we are self F1 generation, we can produce these types of phenotypic appearance. That means 12 white, 3 yellow and 1 green. Here F2 analysis will show when W genes code for inhibitor enzyme that stop the conversion of white to green. Means capital W is present, then only green color fruits will be formed, because capital W producing the inhibitor enzyme stop the conversion of white to green color formation. So when gene in homozygous or heterozygous, that is capital W or capital W small w, fruit color is a white. In such condition, when the capital W or capital W small w is present, green color flower will be green color fruits will be appear. Only in homozygous WW means small WW combination means recessive combination, absence or of inhibitor conditions, it is a color green or yellow. Therefore in dihybrid is self, 3 phenotypes are produced in the ratio 12:3:1. Because the presence of dominant W allele masks the effect of either the capital G or small g allele. This type of interaction is called as dominant epistasis. Another examples are also given there. Coat color in dogs, color of hull in oat seeds, and plumage color in poultry. Okay, today we will stop here. Thanks for watching the video.